Now you'll add the top margin to the paragraph element. Add a style attribute to the paragraph element and use string interpolation to set the value to margin top. And where margin top is the margin top property of the current object. That's a lot. Okay, so we have the first called style. I mean, type in the attribute style and then use string interpolation. First call out the empty string. Within that, we have to call out the string interpolation like this, and then set the volume margin top. Oh, there it is. We just have to copy it. Mm-hmm. Am I missing something? Style. Mm. Where margin top is the margin top property. Wait, I need help. Style. What am I doing wrong? Style. There it is. Margin top. I'm gonna copy you. Oh, wait. Oh, that's how you do it. Oops. We forgot about this one where current margin top is the margin top property of. So current margin top. Set the volume margin top. Where current margin top. There it is. Current margin top is the margin top property of the current object. Okay. Then object cur oh where current margin top is the margin top. Oh, sometimes you have to understand the instruction well.